have to, like, I just like to cut it a little bit smaller than what it is, so that way it can blend, fully blend. So I'm just cutting up some of the tomato. And I already washed everything. Okay, I think that's good. Cut up some cilantro.
Mama,
What?
are you almost done with everything?
So I got Harper here that wants to help. So we have onions,
Yes.
tomato, cilantro. Everything is in there.
Now let's get
Then we're gonna add,
I want to pour it in.
oh no, we're not pouring this whole thing in because it will be really hot. So hold on, Harper.
Can I pour it in?
No,
I want to pour it in.
I'm gonna pour it into something and then you can pour that in.
Yay!
She's making silly faces. Okay, so I just poured a little bit.
Oopsie.
Okay, so Harper just spilled all of it, most of it. Okay, put it in there.
Ha! Spice-a-pa!
Careful.
Ha ha! Yeah, ba.
All right, let me clean this up.
Whoopsies. Might have did a little bit of karate ninja moves. Ha! Ha! Ha!
Okay, so put that in, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of the Rotell mild chilies because we don't like it too spicy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of those. Again, just this little thing full. Dump it in, dump it in. Whatever you do, do not put your hands, don't rub your eyes, nothing.
But this one didn't get dirty.
Because you have chili on your hands now.
But this one didn't get dirty.
I know, I'm just telling you. Okay, so next we have garlic salt, garlic sea salt. I'm gonna put in a little thing, Harper, so you can dump it in.
There's so much chili on it.
Okay.
Oh, it's so cute.
So, just putting a little bit of that. Hold on. Cumin.
What's cumin?
Cumin is a seasoning that Mommy uses. Sometimes people say it smells like an armpit.
Ew! What? That smells like a pizza. That's dirty.
A little bit of pepper.
Oh, I'm not eating this salsa. It's too spicy.
It's actually not that spicy. A little bit of, oops, forgot to show you guys. Onion powder.
So salt.
Some salt.
Looks like sugar.
And sugar I will use at the end after I do a taste test. So this is what
Looks like.
it looks like.
I'm gonna pour it in.
So Harper's gonna pour that
Should we
in.
mix it up?
Nope, put it in. Just dump it all in. There we go. All right.
Now I'm gonna press the button.
This is what it looks like.
And got this.
There we go. So we just put, you can see, tiny bit. Now it's time to blend. Okay, so Harper's gonna blend. So you gotta push down.
Can you help me though?
Yeah. Okay, so I kind of go by color. So I'm sure you guys all know when, or by taste, I'm sure you guys all know when you blend up tomato, it gets like white, frothy, it has to settle. But we are gonna go ahead, we're gonna add another tomato.
Ooh.
So hold on a second, let me cut it real quick.
Ooh, it looks like it's bleeding.
Right now, guys, this is what we got. Okay, so So we're adding more tomato. I always like to like blend a little bit and then add, blend and add.
I hate tomatoes.
Put those in. So she's adding more tomato.
And then
some more onion.
This is a lot of tomatoes.
Wait, Harper, turn around. Why is your shirt on backwards?
Because I'm a ninja. Do I put this in?
Yes.
Ding.
Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot to cut that one. Okay, put the onions in.
Oh.
Okay. Secret ingredient.
Sugar.
Sugar. So go ahead and put the sugar in.
All of it?
Not all of it. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay.
Then I'm going to mix it. Oh, it's going to be very sweet.
Hold on. We're going to blend it. We have to blend
No,
it.
I wanted to make...
Or you can shake it up, but we still got to blend
shake
it.
I'm going to shake it.
Okay, Harper's going to shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Tip it upside down. Oh my gosh. All right, so I tasted it. It's perfect. I'm gonna pour it in a container. And I'm gonna put it in the fridge to settle and chill. But you guys can see.
I see the sugar, the white spots. I'm gonna go watch Power Rangers Ninja Spin. I hope you guys liked our video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, so you're always notified, and hit the notification